Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to IKEA and Plantorama. See, check it out. See, our car is waiting for us. So we are off to our car. See, check it out. Check it out, the car we have. Get out. See the weather. See Copenhagen, Denmark. See, it's raining outside. See, we are off to IKEA and Plantorama, Copenhagen, Denmark. See. We are almost near to IKEA, Tostrup. See the rain weather. In the traffic signal. See, we are arriving at IKEA. Can you read? This is the way to get inside the IKEA. IKEA, welcome to IKEA. We are going up. See, this is the department where we can buy kitchen items. See, so colorful, so beautiful. IKEA. See. Yes. See, cooking range, all that thing. Ano iba? See, colorful life, IKEA. If you want to buy blinds, you can. See. See, my most favorite department, plants. We have different types of artificial and original plants in IKEA at a reasonable price. Just see. Someone forgot. Take it. Don't forget this next time you might come to the IKEA. Now it's time to pick our things from the warehouse. See, we have different areas where we can pick our things which we have ordered or we want to buy. See. In IKEA, we reuse things. For example, some things which are not sold, so we reuse them at discount price. So we are going up on the elevator. Wait and watch. You want to buy the carpets? See beautiful carpets we have in IKEA. Door mat. Again carpets. Huge variety. IKEA toaster. And the lights. See. The lights. Different type of pictures available. What time is your train? See. See. This is the department for the small cutie little babies. Rose angel, our angel. See, furniture. Buy your furniture. See, different styles of furniture, lamps, kitchen. See, different styles of dining tables we have. See the dining table, the kitchen. See one more kitchen for you people, especially for you. Get the overlook. See kitchen, different style of kitchens we have. Oven, come back together. Come. And the dishwasher. See the warm cozy beds, different types of beds we have at IKEA. It is so difficult to choose between them. Which to choose, which to reject. We cannot buy all, we cannot reject all. This is how it is so difficult to choose in IKEA always. And the cupboards, see. And no. When we have kids, so here is the kids section for the beautiful kids. Our life. You need more space? Here is the space available at IKEA. Welcome to Swedish Restaurant and Cafe.